Hey man, fight, guys, check it out. Got my boy Dylan behind the controls out this joint. You know what I'm saying, guys? He gonna work this joint. He ain't playing with no goddamn body. Woo! Mad Max had to call his cousin up. Oh, that was crazy. What the fuck was that, Dylan? Yeah. So I needed help out here, guys. I had to go call Dylan out this joint. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause he don't give a fuck, just like me, guys. Woo! You don't gotta keep it by me. I'll follow you, Dylan. I'll follow you, Dylan. You go anywhere you want to go, buddy. We following Dylan, guys. We following Dylan. This shit is X-Max rated, man. Oh, you coming up that joint hot and heavy? Woo! Where you going, Mad Max? Where you going, Mad Max, cousin? He ain't playing with no goddamn body. Woo! We at work, guys. We at work. We still here. They went home, but we came back. We still here, guys. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, Dylan. You know, this is what the X-Max is for, guys. This one is for...
Hell yeah.
You like it, Dylan?
Oh
Hey, Dylan, you having fun, buddy?
Fuck yeah, I'm having fun. Always.
Woo! He ain't playing with no goddamn body, man. So check it out, Dylan. We're gonna do a drag race too out that joint.
Fuck yeah.
With Mad Max, you know?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Which way you want to go? That's the best way to clear his way over that way, right?
Clearest point right there.
Through that way right there?
Let's do it.
So check it out, guys. We about to set up the camera real quick for a little bit. And we about to set up the drag race. Mad Max and his cousin coming up out this joint. We ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut it.